Hello and welcome to today's video on how to make passive income with Chat and Midjourney AI. Hi everyone, I'm 10x Advance, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the power of AI to generate passive income streams. What is passive income? Passive income is money earned with little to no effort on the part of the recipient. It's income that flows into your bank account on a regular basis, without you having to actively work for it. How Chat and Midjourney AI can help generate passive income. Chat is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI, and it has the ability to generate human-like text based on the input provided. Midjourney AI, on the other hand, is a platform that allows you to build AI-powered chatbots for various use cases. By combining the power of Chat and Midjourney AI, you can create chatbots that can generate passive income for you in multiple ways. Examples of passive income streams using Chat and Midjourney AI. Customer service chatbots. You can create chatbots that handle customer service inquiries for your business. This will save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on growing your business while the chatbots handle customer inquiries. Virtual assistants chatbots. You can create chatbots that provide virtual assistant services such as scheduling appointments, booking reservations, and managing calendars. These chatbots can be used by businesses or individuals and can generate a steady stream of passive income. E-commerce chatbots. You can create chatbots that help customers with their online shopping experience, including product recommendations, price comparisons, and order tracking. This will increase customer satisfaction and sales, generating passive income for you. In conclusion, the combination of Chat and Midjourney AI provides a unique opportunity to generate passive income streams through AI-powered chatbots. With the increasing demand for virtual assistants, customer service, and e-commerce solutions, now is the time to take advantage of this opportunity. Thank you for watching this video on how to make passive income with Chat and Midjourney AI. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content. Until next time, stay innovative.